This is Clarence, Burnley mascot. Please follow my mascot, Clarence, a Burnley true supporter, as many of you are. Right, first of all, I'm going to give you the answer from the previous question, number 7. Okay. Burnley were promoted in 2000, finishing second in the second division table behind which team? I've got a few answers, but none of you or Burnley supporters or anybody got it correct. So I'm going to give you the answer now. The team that finished top of the second division was Preston North End. Yes, your rivals. That was your question. That was the answer to the question number 7. I'm going to give you now the question number 8. Which player made his final appearance at the age of 39 against Cardiff City in May 2011? Which Burnley player made his final appearance at the age of 39 against Cardiff City in May 2011? That is your question for this week. Please do give me an answer. Get back to me as soon as you can. But now I'm going to go now with the match report from last night's game against Leeds United at Turf Moor. Say goodbye, Clarence. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good lad. Right, I've got a big book here with all the comings and goings from that match. Okay, Monday the 27th of January 2025. The weather conditions was very cold and windy and wet. Didn't help, but that again, that is for both teams. This is Let's Talk Burnley Football Club and number 171. Match report. Burnley went with a 4-2-3-1 and Leeds United went with the same 4-2-3-1. It was an 8 o'clock kickoff from Turf Moor. The referee was Josh Smith, and the previous game that Burnley played, Leeds at home, was on the 29th of August 2021, where Burnley drew 1-1 with Leeds. The scorer for Burnley was Chris Wood. Right, the attendance of the Leeds match last night was 21,329, and the team was like this: Trafford, Roberts, Egan Riley, Esteve, Humphreys, Cullen, Laurent, Anthony, Brownhill, Foster and Fleming. And your substitutes were Idanki, Barnes, Egan, Glosio, Hannibal, Perez, Rodriguez, Sarmiento and Worrell. Kick-off 8 p.m. Lots of Leeds pressure in the first 8 minutes. Burnley are on the defensive straight from the off. 11 minutes. Anthony curling a ball is missed by a Fleming header. The header went quite wide of the past the post. 21st minute, Humphreys swings in a cross which Fleming meets another header which skids past the post. 24th minute, Foster brings down Jaden Bogle, bundling him down. He didn't get a free kick. Sorry, he didn't get a yellow card for that. Now, 40 minutes, Leeds wanted a penalty when Smith comes together with Anthony and the ref waves play on. Okay, 42nd minute, Fleming 30 yards volley goes wide. I think a lot to do with the wind as well. How can you shoot at 30 yards and think you were going to get it past the goal? Right, that was half time. Now you can see by the half time stats just how much Burnley and Leeds got on. So Burnley had 44% of the possession 4 shots, none on target, 2 fouls and 1 corner. Leeds United stats was 55% possession, 4 shots, none on target, 2 fouls and 1 corner. Oh, sorry, five fouls and 2 corners, sorry. Right, both sides have got to get forward. Neither side want to lose this game, this is what I wrote. It needs an early goal in the second half. That's what it says down here. Second half, no changes on both sides. The 49th minute, Anthony forces a mistake by Sam Baram in his own area. 50 minutes, Cullen pass to Foster, which creates a foul. 53rd minute, Trafford keeps the ball in place on the byline before pinging it 40 yards up the pitch to a teammate. 66th minute, Connor Roberts is caught offside. 67th minute, there have been 3 yellow cards for Leeds. 3 yellow cards for Leeds so far. Solomon, Dan James and Jayden Bogle. 69th minute, Anthony shots saved, but he fouls Rondon while doing so. 73rd minute, Foster is substituted for Sarmiento. 78th minute, Brownhill free kick had to be, he had to go off. Brownhill, because of an injury, he was off for 30 seconds for treatment. Coming to the end of the match now. 89th minute, great save from Trafford. 90th minute, substitute Brownhill replaced Hannibal. Right, so the referee added 3 minutes, but nothing actually happened. Both sides played well in defence, Burnley especially, and especially Steve. Brilliant performance. So the full-time stats for Burnley was 44%, 4 shots, none on target, 9 fouls and 1 corner. And Leeds had 55% possession, 8 shots, 1 on target, 11 fouls and 5 corners. So come on to the next game, Saturday the 1st of February, away to Portsmouth, 3 o'clock kickoff. Then we have Oxford on Tuesday the 4th of February, home, 7:45 kickoff. And then on the 8th, the Saturday the 8th of February, we are away to Southampton in the FA Cup 4th round. On Wednesday the 12th of February, we are home to Hull, 9:45 kickoff. Saturday the 15th of February, we are away to Preston, 12:30 kickoff. And on Friday 21st of February, we are home to Sheffield Wednesday, 8 o'clock kickoff. So now the league positions. Leeds in first place, played 29, won 17, drawn 9, lost 3, 60 points. Sheffield United played 29, won 18, drawn 6, lost 5, 58 points. Burnley third position, played 29, won 15, drawn 12, lost 2, 57 points. And in fourth position, Sunderland played 29, won 15, drawn 10, lost 4, points 55. So the 4 teams are all going well in the championship. Who is going to be top? I think Burnley have a great chance now with the games coming up. They've got lesser teams home and away. They've done the hard work over the Christmas New Year to play the top teams, and now it's onwards and upwards, hopefully for Burnley, who will either stay in that position, number 3, or they will go further and possibly top the league before the end of the season. The new recruits, the new signings have not played at the moment. There must be a chance coming up against a lesser opposition for these lads to get a few minutes on the pitch. So let's hope to be able to see Barnes and Shelvey at some point in the lineup in the coming weeks. Okay, well that's it for now. Up the Clarets, and we'll see you on... oh, I've lost it. We'll see you in the next game against Portsmouth. Okay, all the best, Dan. Up the Clarets. Come on, lads. We can do this.